What is happening, guys? Welcome back. Today we are here with this puppy. Last video we did was fixing some stuff here and whatnot. So far it's holding. I haven't moved the car, but yeah, anyways, you might see the windows a little cracked. Yep, there's a reason for that, and it's right here. On the last video I think I made in Florida, in Ohio. I changed the little window motor because I was screwed up. I got a fun one at the junkyard, so I put that on. It worked fine till it didn't. So now we're back to square one. So I had to order one, and it's not OEM, unfortunately, but hopefully it'll fix our issue, because this puppy's been sitting here with the window down. Thankfully I have the cover for it so it doesn't get wet, but that ain't it. Look at battery. Look. So let's fix that today. For those of you that don't know, I've taken this shit out a bunch of times. So it's one here, there's another one here, bolt, nut, whatever you want to call it, and then you just pull the whole thing out. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Not the right tool, but whatever. So there's that one right there. Then you go down here, kind of pull this out. Be careful, because these things are kind of on there. You don't want to break it. Yeah. Anyways, there should have been one there forever ago, but no, there's one in here. And then you just take those out and then pull the thing out. Pull up, and you're good. So once you have both of them out, that's technically out. Maybe. Hold on. This one wants to be a pain. It's usually one or two that wants to be a pain. Anyways, they're both out. Now you just go ahead and pull from down here. Boop. And the whole thing comes out. It's that easy. And once you have that out, you just take these things out. Wait for the lever to open it and close and lock. Then take this out. That's for the buttons and your little light. So we got disconnected right here. Maybe. There. And then you gotta take this whole panel out. That's the shittiest part of this, but well, lucky for you, you don't have to see the whole thing. Alright, after you take all these bad boys out, there's ones over here that are for the regulator, for the motor. This one here is for the actual, I don't know what the hell you call it, this one and this one. It just kind of levels the window when it's held by. So you gotta be careful. It might just go down or stay there. So you just be wise. And here's the little guy that we need to take out for this one. Hopefully this will be the end of this shit. So there's the old. It kind of broke off right here. See that? So that's trash. Now with the new. Hopefully now we just gotta put it back together and make sure it works, and then close it all up. Wish me luck. Alright, so it's all in there. Got all three of them. I got one from another place, so we're gonna be short somewhere here, but hey, fuck it, that's what we do. Weight reduction. Alright, I just put this whole thing in. Made sure it was on the rails. I promise you it has not been that long. It just goes dark as hell quick here. So I already checked, make sure it goes up and down. Now we're gonna put this puppy back on, and that should be it. All right, we've officially put everything back in, as you can see. Let's turn it on and see what we got. Well, not on, but put the switch on. Let's see. Ooh. Fancy. All right. Sorry. Got Asian music. Okay, works. Beautiful. Now we gotta clean all this shit up, because I'm getting messed up by damn flies here. And we'll keep this going tomorrow when we have more light. Alright, we got our new window regulator. It's working great. Now we gotta lift the car. Hopefully I can get to it. I know I can get to the rear ones without having to take the wheels out once I lift it. So let's hope we can do the same with the fronts, so we can drive this puppy. See? You can reach down there. But this one's gonna be a pain in the ass because it's all the way up back there. So I'll see if I can just move the wheel, maybe get in there. So I really don't want to have to take them off. Alright, looks like we might be a little SOL because we can't even reach back there. So got our little handy dandy tool. Let's get this puppy going. We don't have a lot of. Alright, so we went on the back. We went from here, from exactly 3 inches to 3 here. How much? Like half an inch. And then on the front, we're gonna try to do a little bit more. We'll try to do. It's currently at. You can say it's 2.5. Let's try to get it up to like 3 or so. And yeah, that'll be that. Alright, this is what we got so far. Yeah, it looks way higher. I'm sure it'll go lower once it settles. But that should be enough. If anything, we'll lift it up a little later, but it's enough of that. Let's go to the other side. All right, all 4 sides are done. Let's see. The other side looked pretty high because, I mean, obviously it needs to settle down still, but whoa! This side looks way higher up front. But anyways, it still needs to settle. I still wouldn't even mind it like that, honestly. Looks pretty fire. Yeah. Monster truck now. Monster trucking. I like it. So here we are, another day. I just came in the car. The window goes up and down. Beautiful. But look at this thing. Just ridiculous. This thing literally melted. If you were wondering how hot it is here, you can see by that. That is ridiculous. Now my freaking radio doesn't want to turn on either. But anyways, we got some stuff to go do and see how well we did with the height of the car. Should be fun. Alright, so it turns out that we are still not high enough. And we got some kind of noise over there on the wheel. I'm just gonna ignore it for now because it's kind of ridiculous. Yep, still too low. So we'll have to do some adjusting later on. Mainly in the back though. That's where it's scraping more. But I've surely missed driving this thing. Let me try to figure out the radio thing, because driving without a radio, it's not it either. quick, but it surely is fun. Can't imagine what I would do with a turbo or something. So I checked my radio. We're not getting power anywhere. Gotta check the cable that goes to the battery and see if that fucker's even connected, which I'm thinking that might be the issue, but we shall see. We shall see. I had to buy a new damn phone mount like that. That one also goes to the vent, which is right there. I think that one will be more efficient because they're gonna keep melting. And we don't got money to be spending like that, boys. And it's hot. I need AC on this boy. Hot, hot, hot. Sir, I know you're close. I can smell you. It's in front of me. I don't see him. This is coming from the other side. Tell me, I need to know. Here you go. Hopefully. There he is. There we are. What is happening? It's a female lady. Yeah. They don't mess around either. Not them. Said it before and I'll say it again. Puerto Rico is GTA. Look what we have just sitting here, like just a typical Sunday. It's Sunday, right? Yeah. I think it's clean. Just chilling. Don't mind the sounds. I'll probably leave you guys with that. I don't have any more exciting stuff to say or do. Well, other than gotta finish this shit up, but I need some clip there and then lift the car up a little bit more on the back, but that's really nothing exciting anymore. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and visit the merch on the description. See you guys on the next one. Peace.